In my experience, the designs that probably sell best of all for me on Merch by Amazon are my text-based designs. And this is partly because text-based designs in general seem to be extremely popular on Amazon, which is perhaps a more niche-focused platform than the likes of Redbubble and Teespring, where pop culture type shirts seem to do better. The other reason why I believe text-based designs sell really well on Amazon is because they seem to be the perfect medium for trending topics in the news, or for funny memes that go viral on social media. Certainly it is far easier to react quickly with a text-based design than with a graphical one. And if their popularity on Amazon is not enough to convince you that you really should be selling text-based t-shirt designs on Merch if you're not already doing so, then another good reason is perhaps the length of time it takes to create a text-based design, compared to a graphic-based design, that is. Now, this might not appear to be much of an issue when you are just starting out on Merch and are limited to only a few daily submissions. But once you have tiered up to a level where you are allowed to submit 20 t-shirt designs per day, or even more, the time it takes you to create and submit each of those individual designs really does have a huge bearing on the success of your Merch by Amazon business. Don't get me wrong, I do also believe it is important to spend the time to create some spectacular and original graphic designs as well. And other tutorials in this series will show you how to do exactly that. But in my opinion, these more time-consuming designs should definitely be supplemented with some simple and quick text-based designs. Now notice I did not add easy to that description, because although text designs can be a lot quicker to create than graphical ones, they are not necessarily easier to make. And a rushed text-based design that uses the wrong font can be just as glaringly average as a graphical design that has been created by someone without an ounce of artistic talent. In fact, more often than not, bad text-based designs are likely to get you in more trouble than bad graphical designs, simply because a non-designer is more likely to appreciate their limitations when attempting a graphical design, and will probably have a better idea if a design really sucks, and thus will not bother to upload that design to Merch. Seemingly, this is not the case with bad text-based designs, if Amazon is anything to go by, where unfortunately there are many would-be designers out there putting up a plethora of text-based designs that, if truth be told, are unlikely to ever sell. And the thing is, a better understanding of typography, font selection, and even kerning could make a huge difference to the quality of one's text-based t-shirt designs. And so in the next few lessons, I'm going to look into each of these areas in turn, beginning with perhaps the most important subject of all, namely typography and the importance of selecting the correct typeface.